Hi everyone, and welcome back to Skrach. Today, we're making homemade egg rolls. Let's get started. We'll need 18 wonton wrappers, 3 green onions, 2 medium carrots, a half of a head of Napa cabbage, 1 pound of ground pork, a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of minced garlic, a teaspoon of rice wine vinegar, a teaspoon of sesame oil, a teaspoon of Sriracha Sauce, a quarter teaspoon of ground ginger, and a quarter teaspoon of pepper. We'll start by rinsing off our cabbage, carrots, and green onions. Then we'll brown our ground pork on the stovetop over medium-high heat, breaking it up as it cooks until cooked through, about 6 to 8 minutes before draining it in the sink. While our pork is draining, we'll finish preparing our vegetables. While it's possible to do this by hand, I'm going to be using a food processor in the interest of saving time. We'll shred our half head of Napa cabbage and add it to a large bowl, before cutting the tops off of our carrots, grating them, and adding them as well. Then we'll thinly slice our green onions, add them to the bowl, return our ground pork, and mix in our tablespoon of soy sauce, tablespoon of minced garlic, teaspoon of rice wine vinegar, teaspoon of sesame oil, teaspoon of sriracha, quarter teaspoon of ground ginger, and quarter teaspoon of black pepper until well combined. Then we'll place our bowl in the refrigerator and allow our filling to cool for at least 20 minutes. While we're waiting on our filling to cool, we'll preheat our fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Working in batches, once our filling's cool, we'll place about a quarter cup into each of our wonton wrappers with a point facing toward us. We'll fold it up, tuck in the sides, brush the edges of our wrapper with water, and very tightly roll our egg rolls. Then we'll fry them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 minutes, turning them halfway through if necessary, and set them aside to drain. We'll serve these with our favorite dipping sauce. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes like this one.